Alright guys, so today's the PA that I just want to share. Very didn't lose that much, just put like $10 wherever my account on the side. But I'm very happy that I could take out from there and just not everything that will take me out. So yeah, so I keep the $5 in it. But usually if you do well, it will go all the way to 200 or 100. So that is my minimum risk. From there, how much I put in there, and I believe it still could go down because of this area. I go to back to the weekly area. There's a little more gap that I could play with, but then at the same time, I am still aware that this is gonna go back up in the for the secondary. Or if I say for the secondary, so first secondary possibility it will go back down, but I don't like the area where I'm at, and we'll see by tomorrow. And it seems like a lot of sellers is still here at that area from this area. So, but I would love to go to for the buy because I would love to go to the secondary, see how they react. So that's why I go to the 4 hours. Um, See how they go. But then I'm in a situation in the 4 hours, so I am going to play more a safer there from there, so I don't lose as much as what was before. So then I go to the 5 minutes, but eventually it took me out. Um, very hopefully the by tomorrow I do my reanalysis. Now I'm training myself is not to hold all the time. So I'm planning to just take here and then take my area from this area just to be more safer because I'm in the zone from any time in this area to hit back up in for the buyer side. So for this PA, I give it still need more training and practice. So yeah, and that's basically it from there.